Hey guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and giving you my first impressions of the brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. So let's check it out. Now starting from the unboxing, like the previous flagships, the S21 Ultra 5G comes in black, with the S21 uniquely written in the front of the box. And there's S21 Ultra 5G down below. Opening the box immediately reveals the phone inside. Underneath, there's a smaller box which has the SIM ejector pin on the outside and a USB-C to USB-C cable inside. And yes, this is the very first phone from Samsung that does not come with a charger inside of the box. Yep, it's 2021, so start getting used to it. Now starting from the phone's design and build, I have to say that this phone is hands down the best ever looking smartphone ever. Now although I'm more of a white colored smartphone fan, but this luxurious matte black finish on the phone was amazing, as Samsung took their premium flagship quality to a whole new level. Instead of typically coming up with a shiny fingerprint magnet at the back, which a lot of other premium flagships do, so good job Samsung. Now even the camera design, like making it flow towards the top left and with a circular camera holes again, made it really aesthetically pleasing. So yes, if I was rocking this phone as my daily driver smartphone, I'm so not gonna use a phone case to cover this amazing design. Then at the front of the phone, Samsung has decided to again break the typical flagship smartphone norm by now making it a flat screen display instead of a curved one. And they have also included the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection at the front of the screen, similar to the Note 20 Ultra and also the cover screen of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, as it is the toughest glass from Corning with a super fast ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. So yes, overall, this is indeed a huge A+ for me for the design and the build of the phone. Now in terms of the color options, the S21 Ultra 5G comes in two colors for you guys to choose from. The one which I have is called the Phantom Black, and it also comes in Phantom Silver. Looking at the phone spots and buttons, looking down below, there is the USB-C port and also the SIM ejector slot with no micro SD card slot expansion. Then on the right hand side, you'll find one of the two stereo speakers, as the other is available on the earpiece area as usual, similar to other Samsung flagships. Then looking on the right, there's the volume rocker and the power button over there. Next, looking at the phone screen, it has a 6.8-inch WQHD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels with an adaptive refresh rate of 120Hz with that exact high resolution as well, so that was extra sweet. And it also has 1500 nits of peak brightness. And what's absolutely new on the S series, especially for the S21 series, is the fact that if you happen to have a Note device or have purchased an S Pen, the phone supports an S Pen, which again is forward thinking from Samsung, making the phone also very future proof as well. Now looking at the phone's camera specs, the main lens is a massive second generation 108 megapixel f1.8 aperture 26mm wide lens, a 10 megapixel f4.9 with a massive 240mm periscope telephoto lens that gives you up to 10 times optical zoom, a 10 megapixel f2.4 70mm telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixel f2.2 13mm ultra wide angle lens. And just so you all know, like the Note 20 Ultra 5G, the circular cutout right above towards the top right at the camera array is the laser autofocus. Then looking at the phone's front camera, it has a massive 40 megapixel f2.2 26mm wide lens. So yes, with this interesting camera arrays, I'm super eager to test out these cameras during my full video review of the phone. So stay tuned for that, and of course subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you guys haven't done so. As for the video taking capabilities, like the previous recent flagship releases, it records up to a massive 8K 7680 by 4320 pixels. Then looking at the front camera, it records up to 4K up to 60 frames per second. As for the insides of the phone, here in Malaysia, it comes with the Exynos 2100 5nm chipset, and the variant that I have is the 12 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage. And in terms of software, it comes shipped with Android 11 with a brand new One UI version 3.1, which I've already experienced the Android 11 on the Note 20 Ultra 5G and absolutely loved it. And I'll let you guys know more during my full video review of the phone. As for the phone's battery, the phone comes with a huge 5000 mAh of battery with 25 watt fast charging, 15 watt fast wireless charging and 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging. So once again, stay tuned for my full video review when I use the phone as my daily driver for about a week to find out how much of a screen on time that I get on the phone. Now, as for making of this video, I did not get the exact price details here in Malaysia, so check back at the description below, or you can find out during my full video review as well. So guys, with this, do let me know what you would like to know about the brand new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G down at the comment section below, which I'm sure you have lots of questions to ask about the phone. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick first impressions and the unboxing of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. If you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. My name is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video.